Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Hamster Kombat account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Hamster Kombat in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen. So you need to tap on that link and you will be redirected to the official page of the Hamster Kombat game. And you can see there is a play now button at the bottom of this page. So let's tap on it and make sure you have already created an account in Telegram and you have a Telegram as well. So once you do that, you can see there is a Hamster Kombat and you can also see start button at the bottom of this section. So let's tap on the start. And you can see there is a three options now: play in one click, subscribe to the channel, and how to earn from the game. And you can also see there is a play button at the bottom left corner of this section. So once you tap on it, you will be able to access it successfully. And if you have an account in Telegram, then by default Hamster Kombat gonna create your account through your Telegram account successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can make Hamster account, and I mean Hamster Kombat account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.